Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the AI series. Today we will discuss how to use generative AI. Now, the popular generative AI or Gen AI model or tool is ChatGPT. All you have to do to use it is just go to chatgpt.com and if it asks for the login, you can log in or you can use without login as well. And you can ask anything. Tell me about Java. So as you can see, it is generating the text. So it is called the generative artificial intelligence. Or you can let it complete, or you can, if you want to interrupt, you can just click here to stop it. So as you can see, it is giving so many, it's sharing so much information about Java. Now the prompt has been successfully ran and we got proper results. Similarly, if you want, you can just upload any file and ask about it. Or you can search on for the web, anything from the web using this ChatGPT or any reason we can ask. So this is a simple way we can use ChatGPT. If you want to use the advanced features, for example, if I want to attach and get the response after the analysis of those attachments, you have to first log in. If you already have the account, you can just log in. If you don't have, please do sign up. Sign up is very simple, means registering or creating an account. Or you can just give your email ID and just give the password and all. Otherwise, you can use any of these accounts like Microsoft, Apple, or Google accounts. So I already have the login ID, so I will just log in. I just logged in into the ChatGPT. Now I can use it with so many features, including the uploading of the files and connecting it from the Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, etc. Also, I can generate images. For example, just all you have to do is just click here, create image, and then ask for it, create image for sunshine. While it loads or while it generates the image, let us try to use some other features. For example, if you want to create a new chat, you can use this new chat. And if you want to search from the web, like weather in Bangalore, it will just search the web and get the results. So you can see here, it is giving the weather of Bangalore. Then there is something called reasoning. We can ask it to think before it respond. Also, there is something called deep research, which will do a deep research on the before it responds. So we can also collaborate with other tools also. And one more thing we have here is, I think we have got the notification. So this is the sidebar we have where we can see our previous chats and you know libraries. If it has created any images, there is a library, and exploring the GPTs, what and all the GPTs it has, and also there is one. If we want to upgrade, it is also possible. So there is an upgrade plan. So so for the free version, there are a few features like accessing of GPT-4o Mini and standard voice mode, real-time data from web limit, but there is limited access to GPT-4o, and also a few custom GPTs are there, and images and all you can generate like 4 or 5 images per day. That's all. With this advanced with the upgrade of this plan, you can get more features. Even with Pro, there is a Pro plan also. It will give more features. And there is this. These are all the personal plans. There is a business plan as well. So for the team, we can get. So this is how we can use the ChatGPT. Let me see if it has completed the generation or not. All right. I think the image has got created. As you can see, we had requested for create image for sunshine. Then it has created an image for sunshine. You can download it, and also, you can just give some more inputs like describe what you want to add or remove or replace. So if you want to add some more features here in the picture, that also can be requested to the GPT. So also not only the images, you can create PPTs or Word documents or any other PDFs, etc. Also, for example, write a two-line poem for sunshine. It will generate a two-line poem for this sunshine. So this is how we can use this Chat GPT. So this whatever we have discussed is very um, a few things. There are so much to discuss. We will discuss in the upcoming sessions. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.